Hello children, welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. In the previous session, we have discussed the topic how to modify a picture and how to select an image. Hope you all have understood the topic. Today, we will continue the same lesson, that is lesson number 5, Fun with Microsoft Paint. Open page number 47 on your books. Today, we are going to discuss the topic Delete command. Delete command works just like cut command. It is used to remove the selected part of drawing from the drawing area. So children, using delete command, you can remove any part of your drawing. So let's see the use of delete command practically. For that, first of all, we will open Paint program. The very first step is double click on the Paint icon on the desktop. You will see the Paint window is open. Now children, first of all, let's draw one shape in the drawing area. For that, under the Shapes group, choose any shape of your own choice. Like here, I am going to choose a triangle. So click on the triangle shape and after that, move to drawing area, hold and drag your mouse. You will see a triangle shape is drawn. Now, we will fill colors in it. So, using fill with color tool, choose any color from the color box. Like I have chosen indigo blue color. Now come to the drawing area and click inside the shape. You will see the color is filled in the shape. Now children, for using the delete command, first of all, you have to select the part of the drawing to be removed. For that, you have to click on Select option under the Image group. After that, choose any selection tool. Like I have chosen Rectangular Selection tool. Now, select any part of your shape which you want to be removed. Like I have selected upper part of the triangle. After that, again, you have to click on the Select options drop down arrow. There you will see delete option is present. Click on the delete option and you will notice the selected part of the drawing will be removed from the working area. This is the first method to delete selected part of your drawing. Now children, let's discuss the second method to use delete command. Again, select any part of the drawing using rectangular selection tool. Like here, I am going to select right corner of the triangle. After selecting the part of your drawing, you have to right click on the selected area. When you will right click on the selected area, you will see a menu will open. You have to click on delete option from this pop-up menu, and you will see the selected part of the drawing will be removed. So in this way, using these two methods, you can use delete command to remove any part of the drawing. Students, mark the steps to use delete command on your books. Number 1 is double click on paint icon on the desktop. Number 2, select the part of the drawing. Number 3, click on select option. And number 4, click on delete option. So children, today we have discussed the topic delete command. Hope you all have understood the topic. Do practice of using delete command at home also. We will discuss the further topics in next session. Thank you and have a nice day.